to revise only because we are going to attend our assessment 1, isn't it? So we have to go through our previous what we learned. Okay, everyone have to get ready. If ma'am call your name, you have to unmute and give your answers. You just get the question first. Okay, ma'am. Okay, Sarna ma'am.
Yes, how I have to call,
Akash,
ma'am?
don't ask. Yes, ma'am. According to the one, that one.
Okay. Yeah, first
From the
one
back.
from the back. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Vishmaya, 3C.
Visya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Please don't ask any request presentation now. Okay, Vismaya,
ma'am.
get ready, Vismaya. Listen the question. Yes, Kana. Get ready. Just listen the question first. What is the greatest four-digit number? What is the greatest four-digit number?
9,999, ma'am.
Vismaya, very good. Okay, ma'am. Next one, Kana.
Yes, ma'am. Veda Srisha. Veda Srisha.
Veda Srisha. Veda Srisha.
Yes, ma'am. She is on the line.
Okay, just listen now. What is the smallest four-digit number?
Shh.
Smallest four-digit number. Veda Srisha.
I think the line
Are
is
you getting the
gone.
question?
Okay, ma'am. Varshini.
Okay, ma'am, go for the next one. Varshini. Varshini.
According to the participants, we are calling. So, again, next one, Vaibhav, be ready. Syed
Please.
Fahad, be ready. See, if you are not coming, we will call the next one, Dakana. Varshini. Okay, ma. Vaibhav. Vaibhav.
Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am. Vaibhav is coming, ma'am.
Vaibhav, okay, give the answer for that. What is the smallest four-digit number? Vaibhav,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the smallest four-digit number?
9,999.
What happened? Do you know or no? Sana, I'm asking what is the smallest four-digit number? That is the greatest one. Smallest? 1,000.
1,000.
Can you say that one? What is the smallest for 1,000? Okay? Okay, go for the next one, ma.
Syed.
Syed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Just see the picture now. So read the numbers on the abacus. What is the standard form of the number? Syed?
Ma'am, four-digit number.
Yeah, tell me. What is the standard form of the number?
1,004, ma'am.
Abacus. Very 4,000.
4,500
Is there 100%? Nothing else. The 4,000.
4,000. 4,000.
50. 4,050.
4,057.
7. Yes, 4,050. You have to count them. Go for the next one, ma.
Yes, ma'am. Sukritan. Next one, Sugan. Sudarsini. Sukritan. Sukritan, yes, ma'am. He is coming, ma'am.
Ready, ma'am. Sukirtan,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, standard form of the number.
4,000. 4,123.
Excellent, excellent, Sukirtan. Good.
Sugan.
Suhan,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What is the success of 6,554? First one, success.
What, ma'am?
6,000. The successor of 6,554. Just see the both answers, A as well as B is there. Which one is the correct?
55.
If it is success, just give the standard form of that number. Read out the number.
6,555.
Very good. 6,555. That means you have to add one more to that number. Very good. Very good, Suhan.
Yes. Next one, Sudarsini, followed by
Okay.
Sri. Okay, Sudarsini. Next one is Sri, 3C. Now, Sudarsini.
Okay, Sudeshni. Can I do the second one? Sudeshni Sri.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
7,000. Yes, now what is the predecessor of 7,000?
7,000. 6,999.
Very good. 6,919. That means before number. Very good, Sudeshni Sri. Sri, get ready.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sri is coming, ma'am. Next is Sivaruban. Sri, give your answer, ma'am.
Get ready.
1,007. 1,007.
Listen to the question, Sri. What comes between
Ma'am, voice is breaking, ma'am.
445? Yes, Kanna. What comes between fourth one? Are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
3,443 and 3,445. What is the correct answer there? Between the number.
4,000.
What happens, Sri? That's a 4-digit number. 3,444. Between number. Got it? Okay, ma'am. Go for the next one.
Sivaruban, ma'am. Sivaruban.
Sivaruban?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sivaruban. Third one. What is after 1,000? Sivaruban?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes after 1,006?
1,000.
Isn't Siva?
7.
Very good. 1,007. Okay, ma'am. Very good. Kanna.
Sri Hasini. Sri Hasini. Yes, ma'am.
See, see the numeral. You have to give the numeral for the first given day.
Ma'am,
Can you read the first one?
Ma'am, the words is.
Are you getting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is little bit breaking, ma'am.
Now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Good.
ma'am?
Good.
Yes, Kanna? Okay, listen now. Okay, can you give the expanded form? Can you see that one? Question number 4, expanded form. A1, 2893. Can you give the expanded form for that?
2,893.
Expanded form. What we have? 2000 plus.
Okay, ma'am, I tell you.
Yes, Kana.
2,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 3.
Excellent. Very good, Kana. Very good. Okay, next one.
Santosh.
Santosh. Do the B1. Expanded form. B1.
7,000 plus
Ma B1. B1 Kana. Question number 4. Expanded form. 4090. B1.
4,000 plus. Yes, ma'am, சொல்லுங்க.
Hmm.
4,000 plus
Very good.
100.
100 is there. In 100 place digit, 0 only is there, no? So you have to give only 0. 4,000 plus 0 because there is no any value there. Only 0. Again plus
0.
plus. Then
90.
very good.
0.
Plus 0. Okay, you have to in the middle expanded form. How that you have to expand? By giving the plus value in the middle of the numbers. 4,000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 0. This is the form of you have to do the expanded form. Okay, go for the C1. Next one, ma'am. Who's that next one?
JP.
2,000. 0. 2,000 plus 0 plus 0. 9.
Plus 9. Very good. Always 2,000 plus 9. Very good, Kana. Very good. Okay, go for the next one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sanmita, ma'am.
Sanmita, get ready for the question number 5. Sanmita.
Wait, ma'am. She's not
Sanmita.
coming. Wait. Sanmita, are you in line? Okay, Sanjana Sri.
Sanjana.
Sanjana Sri.
Yes, Sanjana.
Very good. Sanjana.
Okay, ma. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Write in short form. A1. Can you see that one? Can you minimize and say that the standard form of the number? What is the short?
3,500.
Very good. 3,553. Very good, ma. Okay. Next one.
Sabarish. Sabarish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sabarish, C1. If you see that one, that is not in the correct order.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that is order is not in correct one. So you have to replace that. Again, you have to give the exact one.
7,426.
Very good, Sabarish. Very good, Sabarish. Okay, ma'am. Next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sivapriya.
Sivapriya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Give the C1 short form. Sivapriya.
Yes. Ma'am.
Huh?
8,000.
Ma C1. 7 plus 9,000 plus 40 is there.
Excuse me, ma'am. Vishali, you typed unnecessarily. You are always opening the video. That's why I didn't call you. Listen carefully. Don't type unnecessarily. That's why I didn't call you, Vishali.
7,904.
Sorry, Sivapriya, the number, if you check that one,
9,047.
40. Very good, 9,047. Just see the place value of that number, which one they've given. Only they've given, you have to rearrange and write. Okay, ma. Go for the next one, ma'am. Thank you, that one.
Vishali. Vishali.
7.
Vishali.
Sivapriya, mute your mic, Kanna. Thank you, Sivapriya. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. So, okay, now you have to give the nearest 10.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sivapriya, mute your mic. Sivapriya. Good.
Vishali. Vishali, get ready now.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Who's that?
Vishali, ma'am. Vishali.
Vishali, okay. Vishali, now round these numbers to the nearest 10. The first one, 466. Nearest 10. So which number, which digit you have to check first? See the ones place first.
Ma'am.
What, Kana?
470, ma'am.
Very good, Vishali. 470. Then, next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Sarvesh. Sarveshwaran.
Sarvesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarveshwar, 103. 103. What is the nearest 10?
100.
100. Very good. How? How, Sarveshwar, you got the 100? Reason now? Sarveshwar,
0 is
Because we-
nearest.
which one, ma?
10 is last. 0 is nearest.
Okay, very good. Because you have to always check the ones digit, ones place value. If you check the ones place value, there is a 3 is there. It is less than 5. So you have to go the previous only. That's the one you have given 100. Okay, very good. Go for the next one.
Aradhya.
104.
Wait,
Aradhya.
ma, wait. Aradhya, 637.
16.
637. Nearest 10. Aradhya.
Aradhya. Okay, next one, Mastan. Mastan. Very
Yes,
good.
Mastan. Give the answer for the 637. Nearest 10.
417, ma'am.
400. Ma, 637.
640, ma'am.
Very good. 640. Just listen the question carefully, Mastan. Then go for the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Yeshwant. Thank you.
Yeshwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Yeshwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Get ready, Yeshwant.
Yeah.
Okay. 15. Nearest 10.
20.
Very good, Yeshwant. Very good.
Why, Yeshwant, you have opened 2 devices? Yeshwant.
Ma'am.
Why you have opened with the 2 devices? You should open with only one. Okay. See, two devices are opened with the S1. Okay. Veda Srisha.
Yeshwant, use Veda Srisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Veda Srisha. 394.
90. 390.
300. Yeah, you have to give the full form of that one. 390. Why, Vedasrisha? Reason for that one? Yes.
95.
Yes, ma. You say. Huh?
95.
Because if yes, Kana, your answer is correct only. What we have to check? Which number we have to check? Which is the place value we have to check? I'll do the nearest 10.
94 place value.
That means ones digit. So ones digit is 4 there, isn't it? So if it is less than 5, 4 is less than 5, then you have to go the previous 10 only. That means 390. Get the concept well, my dear. Okay?
Okay,
go for
ma'am.
the next one, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Revant Sharma.
Revant.
Yes, ma'am.
Revant.
800. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Revant. 796.
800.
Nearest 10.
800.
Nearest 10 I'm asking. 796. What will come?
800.
Very good. How?
96.
Because
890.
6 is there. 6 is there. When the ones digit 6 is there, that is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Greater than 6.
Greater than.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
you're getting answer from your daddy.
he's getting
You have to give, yeah. Sir.
I don't know. Someone is
Okay.
helping.
Okay, now the next one.
Keshav, ma'am. Keshav.
Keshav. Keshav.
Yeah, he is ready.
Keshav. Okay, Keshav. Now we have to find the nearest 100. Round to the nearest 100. See the first number. 9,820. Nearest 100. So check the tens digit now. What will come? Keshav? Keshav is there, ma?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He is online.
Ma, Keshav, give the answer. 9,820. What is the nearest 100?
Okay,
Keshav?
Pranav.
Pranav?
Next one, Pranav. I think, yeah. Keshav couldn't connect that, ma'am. Keshav, thank you, Dakana. Keshav, thank you. Mute your mic. Pranav.
Mom, someone has given share the content there.
Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dakana. Give your answer.
Which one, ma'am? Which one?
Wait, ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Keshav.
Ma'am,
Mute your mic.
someone is sharing there. Someone is sharing there. Who's that?
Wait, ma'am. I will come this side.
Yes. Okay, now.
Yes.
Okay. Pranav,
Ma'am, yes.
give the answer for that one, ma. 9,820. Nearest 10. Nearest 100. So you have to check the tens digit now. If the tens digit is, what is the place value in the tens place now? 2 is there. So if it is 2, that is less than 5. So you have to go the previous 100. So what will come now?
800.
9,000. 9,000. 800. Isn't it? 9,800. Go for the next one, ma'am.
Yeah, Charmita.
Charmita. Charmita.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
here, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Get ready the second one. 5,470. Nearest 100. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, the nearest hundred is 5,500.
Excellent. 5,500. Because 10's place value 7 is there. So that is a greater than 5. So we have to go for the previous or which one? Upcoming now. So 5,500. Very good.
Pranavi. Thank you, Charlie.
Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She is coming.
Yes, Pranavi. Third one. 6,233.
6,200, ma'am.
Very good. 6,200. Very good. Is there anyone, ma'am? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sainath.
Sainath. Okay, get ready, Sainath. Sainath. So now you have to do the build the greatest number using the given digit there. The first one. 1638. Find the greatest number. Sainath. Yes, ma'am. Louder. 8,000. 631. So how that we have to write? In the middle, commas are there. So while write the greatest number, these are digits, okay? While write the greatest number, will you use the commas in the middle? Sainath, we should not use that one. Only 8,000. 1,000 only we have to use only one comma there. 8,631. Got it? Go for the next one, ma'am.
Pragati.
Pragati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. The same digits only. Give the smallest one. 1638.
1,368.
Give the standard form of the. Huh? Again. 4-digit number. Start from thousands. Pragati. Pragati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Say the answer for the.
Ma'am, one more time repeat the question, ma'am.
Now you have to give the smallest number. 1638 is there. Can you see that picture now?
Okay,
So
ma'am. I
numbers are
will.
there.
1,368.
Very good. 1,368. Very good, Pragati. Okay, ma'am. Go for the next one.
Murugesan, I think so, ma'am. Who's named?
Murugesh. D section.
Okay.
Ma D section.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Murugesh. Just see that one. Second one. Digits are 9036. Find the greatest number.
Prakati.
9,063.
Very good. 9,063. Murugesh. Excellent, Murugesh. Okay, go for the next one, ma'am.
Mitra.
Not call Shamil.
Time is there, Shamil. Time is there. I'll call you. Yes, ma'am.
Mitra, ma'am. Mitra Vinda.
Mitra Vinda. Mitra. Smallest digit. Yes, ma. Give the smallest number. 9036. Mitra, come soon. Give the
Okay.
smallest number.
She is there. Yes.
3,069, ma'am.
3,000. Is it 3,000 will come there? How that? Again? Very good. Say that one correct only.
3,069.
Very good. Very good. Because this is the 4-digit number. Very good. Go for the next one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Michael.
Okay.
Michael.
Michael.
Next one, Mahati, be ready. Mahati, Meenaja.
Okay. Mahati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kana Mahati. See the now. Just see the people. Part of property in addition. 79 plus 0. What's the property?
What,
Just see the picture. See the number 79 plus 0, you're getting 79. 0 plus 486, 486. What sort of property in addition? What sort of property?
0.
0. That's why I'm asking what is the property there. So there are two properties there, isn't it? If any number add with 0, answer will be the number itself. What sort of property is that?
Same number.
Yes, ma. 0 property. Got it? What sort of property? 0 property. Property number 1.
Yes, ma'am. Meenaja.
Yes, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Meena. Look at that one. Can you identify what sort of property in addition this one?
0 property.
Must see the second one. Just see that one. Is it 0 property? Because addend has been changed. So what sort of property is that? Order property. If you change the order, answer will remain same. What sort of property?
Order.
Order property. What property is that? Order property. That means addends. If you change the addends, answer remaining same only. Got it? Meenaja? Yes, ma.
Next one,
Go for the
Magasweta.
next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Magasweta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shweta? I don't want to answer for this one. Listen the question carefully. Now you have to tell me the first number. Okay? What is the terms we used in the subtraction? Just tell me what are the terms used in subtraction?
Minuend, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Minuend as well as subtrahend. Isn't it? Subtrahend. Okay, now tell me what is the minuend there? What is the minuend in these two number? Which one is the minuend?
8,394.
Very good. 8,394. Very good. That is the minuend. Okay, go for the next one, ma'am. Call the Shamil, ma'am, now.
Yeah, very good, Magasweta. Thank you. Next one. Ma'am, Litika, ma'am. Okay.
Ritika, okay, ma'am.
Shamil.
Shamil?
Ma'am, Jamil is here.
Yes, ma Shamil. Listen the question now. The
Okay,
answer we get after the subtraction, okay, called what? If you get the answer for this two number, subtract, what will be the answer name? Name of the
Stella, ma'am,
answer.
7 more
Term of the
minutes, ma'am.
answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is,
Yes, Shamil.
ma'am? Ma'am, one more time question, ma'am.
The answer we get after the subtraction, we called. What is the name of that answer? Minuend minus subtrahend. What will be the answer below that?
It's 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. Before
No, no,
8.
asking only terms, ma. Listen, Shamil. That is the difference. Got it? Yes? Okay, the number. Okay, just one more question is there. What is the order of the minuend and subtrahend? Tell me.
Ma'am,
What is the order of the minuend and sub? Yes, ma'am. Yes, Kana. Well, do the subtraction. What is the order of the minuend and subtrahend?
Minuend and subtrahend. 1000, 100, 10, 20.
Okay, Shamil. Always be the position of the first position. Okay, from that only we have to subtract. That part is called the subtrahend. Okay, minuend the first number, the second number is subtrahend. The total we used to get as a difference. We used to call difference. Okay, Shamil. Thank you, ma.
Litika 3C, Litika ma.
Litika. Litika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
2930.
Litika, just see this one. See that one, Litika. Statement sum. Litika. Litika, the first statement. Can you see the below now? Out of 8,797 children of town, 6,989 go to school. How many children do not go to school? What sort of sum is that? Maybe what sort of, maybe addition or subtraction? Second one. Litika is there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
go
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
next one, ma'am.
Alan.
Alan comes soon. Alan? Alan? Alan?
Is not okay. Alan.
Alan, come soon now. Running out of time there.
I am here, ma'am.
Alan. Yes, ma. Yes, Alan. Listen the question now. Okay, we'll start the statement sum in subtraction. So the first statement starts with, how should start? The first statement in subtraction. Start with? Yeah, mummy is giving the answer there. Alan. Yes?
We won't accept this answer. No,
Mummy
Alan, we won't accept this answer. Your mummy only gave the total number of. Lakshaya.
Okay. Akshaya, come soon.
Lakshaya.
Lakshaya.
Ma'am, I am Lakshmi, ma'am. Not Lakshmi.
Okay, Lakshya. Okay, Lakshya.
Okay,
Okay,
Dakana.
ma'am. What is the short form of number of? How should write short form of number of?
No dot off.
OF. Very good, Lakshay. Very good.
Manikandan. Very good, Lakshan.
Okay, next one.
Manikandan.
Manikandan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the another name of with regrouping in subtraction? What is the another in subtraction? What is the another name of with regrouping? Fast. In subtraction, what is the another name of with regrouping? Okay, ma'am, go for the next one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, see, he is saying something, but we couldn't hear that.
Okay. Okay,
Sorry.
Manikandan. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Harish B. Okay.
Carry over.
Yeah, he is saying, ma'am, Manikandan, something.
Carry over. I'm asking in subtraction. In subtraction with regrouping. What we have to say that one? Borrowing.
Ma'am,
Isn't it?
Borrowing.
Borrowing. Okay. In addition, we can say that one. Carry forward. In addition, with regrouping is called carry forward. Okay, very good. Go for the next one, ma'am.
Harish.
Harish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harish, listen that one. How many properties of in subtraction? Okay, no, okay, okay. Otherwise, I'll ask some other question. How do you identify subtraction in word problem? Otherwise, what is the keywords of subtraction? What are the keywords of subtraction? What are the keywords? Do you know or not? So what are the keywords of subtraction? Taken away, left, how many more, remain, difference, given away. These are the different what? Keywords we used in the subtraction statement sums. So children, please read. Otherwise, kindly go through your max classwork as well as max workbook. Well prepare for your assessment. Got it? So you are going to write the next week in your MEM Mongad app only. You are going to attend your assessment one. Try to do well. All the best. Got it?
Wait,
Will you do well? Will you do well? Who's there, ma'am?
Harish only, ma'am.
Harish. Okay, Harish, can you give the answer for only one thing? Harish, the number from which, yeah, listen question now. The number from which a number subtracted is called what?
Yes, ma'am.
The number from which, yes. Okay, ma, do well. I'm asking everyone, you have to do well. Prepare well for your assessment. Okay? Okay, all the best children. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Guru. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.